Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable French PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
In this lesson, you'll learn the present conjugation for the French word meaning must. Repeat the French aloud and copy the hand gestures to improve recall.
Devoir, must. Je dois, I must. Je dois. Tu dois, you must. Tu dois. Il doit, he must. Il doit. Elle doit, she must. Elle doit. Nous devons, we must. Nous devons. Vous devez, you must. Vous devez. Ils doivent, they must. Ils doivent. Elles doivent, they must. Elles doivent. Je dois étudier, I must study. Vous devez partir? Do you have to leave?
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud and copying the hand gestures.
Je dois. Tu dois. Il doit. Elle doit. Nous devons. Vous devez. Ils doivent. Elles doivent.
And that's it for this lesson. Great job! Now you know how to conjugate this verb. Go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.
Hi everyone! In this lesson, you'll practice your listening skills with one classic story told in two surprising ways. Listen carefully and tell us which version you prefer. Let's begin!
La cigale et la fourmi, 2.0. Travailler, jouer, recommencer. L'été arriva. La fourmi travaillait. Chaque jour, elle travaillait. Chaque jour, elle passait devant la cigale qui jouait de la musique au soleil. Un soir, la fourmi demanda « Puis-je me joindre à toi ce soir ?» La cigale répondit « Bien sûr !»
Elles dansèrent, rirent et jouèrent sous les étoiles.
Le lendemain, la cigale dit « Reste et joue !» « Je ne peux pas, dit la fourmi. J'ai du travail, viens avec moi. » La cigale sourit. Une autre fois. La fourmi alla travailler et la cigale alla jouer. La fourmi revint ce soir-là. « Puis-je rester et jouer un petit moment ?»« Bien sûr, dit la cigale. »
Elles dansèrent, rirent et jouèrent sous les étoiles un petit moment.
Le lendemain, la cigale dit « Reste et joue. »« Je ne peux pas, dit la fourmi. J'ai du travail, viens avec moi. » La cigale sourit. Une autre fois. Mira vint écouter la musique de la cigale. Après la chanson, elle dit doucement «
Ton ami est maligne.
À seulement travailler, tu perds la joie. À seulement jouer, tu ne passeras pas l'hiver. L'équilibre vaut mieux. » Le lendemain matin, la cigale,
Vêtue pour travailler,
appela la fourmi. « Puis-je me joindre à toi ?»
elles travaillèrent ensemble.
C'était dur pour la cigale.
Mais elle essaya de faire de son mieux. Elle travaillait dur le jour
et jouait de la musique sous les arbres chaque nuit. La fourmi aida la cigale à travailler. La cigale aida la fourmi à s'amuser.
Lorsque l'hiver arriva, elles étaient prêtes.
Et la musique ne cessa jamais.
Now, here's a different take on the same story. Listen closely to see how it changes.
La cigale et la fourmi 2.0. Entrepreneuriat étrange. Tout l'été, la fourmi travailla et la cigale joua de la musique au soleil. Tu ne crains pas l'hiver ? Demanda la fourmi. Personne dans ma famille ne survit à l'hiver, dit la cigale. Alors je vis pendant que je peux. La fourmi ne répondit pas, mais réfléchit à ces mots. Plus tard, Mira passa. Elle dit « Certains voient de la fainéantise, d'autres voient des opportunités. » La fourmi acquiesça. Elle quitta le travail de la colonie et se mit à creuser et à construire. Grand tunnel, grande salle, grande porte. Elle emprunta des rations à ses amis et à sa famille. Les autres fourmis l'avertirent. « Tu travailles pour de mauvaises raisons. » Mais elle continua. Ensuite, l'hiver arriva. Les cigales commencèrent à mourir de faim. « Cigales, entrez !» dit-elle chaleureusement.
Toutes.
Elles entrèrent dans la grande salle. Elles dansèrent, mangèrent et rirent. Puis, la grande porte claqua. 3 jours plus tard, le tunnel se rouvrit. Au-dessus de la porte, on lisait « Le violon croquant, pâte de cigale frite ». Les affaires explosaient. Même la reine fourmi avait une table réservée.
Great listening! Which version did you prefer and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's the best way to speak and understand more of the language? Simple. Learn more words. But with all the words in your target language, where do you even start? And if you're a beginner, which words should you learn first? You're about to find out. How to boost your vocabulary with the 2000 most common words list and reach conversational fluency. In this video, you'll learn 1. All about our 2000 most common words list, 2. How to start building your vocabulary, and 3. How to learn even faster with special study tools. But first, if you don't yet have access to this tool, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. So, what is this word list, and how does it help language learners boost their vocabulary? The 2000 Most Common Words list is a premium study tool that gives you 2000 of the most commonly used words. According to experts, you need to know about 1,500 words for conversational fluency, so 2000 is more than enough for any language learner. First, here's how it works. This 2000 word list is divided into simple categories, such as verbs, adjectives, everyday words, numbers, and days of the week. Plus, smaller lists like the core 100 words, core 500 words, and so on, so you can easily learn without getting overwhelmed. Next, each word in the word list comes with the meaning, the audio pronunciation, sample sentences, and an image, so that you fully understand each word. Now, here's how you take full advantage of this powerful study tool. First, start with a category, like everyday words, or the core 100 word list. If you want to get acquainted with the vocab, click on View Slideshow to see all of the words in an interactive slideshow. By the way, the core 100 word list is 100% free for all users. Next, if you want to learn these words even faster or save them for later review, click on Add All Words and send them to your word bank, or select a desired few, click on Add Selected Words and send them to your word bank. The word bank is your personal list of words and phrases, all in one spot. You can also use it to create and print physical study sheets. To learn these words faster, study with flashcards, a guaranteed way to memorize words fast. Just click on Add All Words, or Add Selected Words if you only want to send a few, and then click New Deck under Flashcards. This deck will now be waiting for you inside the flashcards. So take advantage of the 2000 Most Common Words list. Find it in the Vocabulary drop-down menu on the site. Remember, you can use this powerful feature with the word bank and flashcards. Access it right now. Learn new words easily and reach conversational fluency with the 2000 Most Common Words list. If you don't yet have access to this tool, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.